Ever so slowly. Hey, I got it. I got this.
I'm gonna throw you around. Oh god, you're gonna kick me. I think that's getting this. I will just like continue to make you go faster. Oh my god, what are you doing? What are you doing? You spin me right, baby, alright. Are you having issues getting up?
Yes.
Oh shit. Can't fight. Casually waiting it to slow down. Hi. How are you doing? We're weird people. I left my phone down there.
It's fine, I can see it.
I need your group so I can hop on at some point. Gotta go with it. Yeah, go. Oh god, that's weird on my end. I'll keep going a bit. Oh,
That hurt your hands.
you make.
That's a nightmare.
You in yet?
Yes. Ow.
Hang on, look cute in case you want to pause at some point and get a selfie. Okay. Hold this.
Oh god.
And there you go. Oh,
Oh god. Oh god, what am I doing?
just like film you.
Oh Jesus.
Film you being adorable.
First.
You can stop it and change your arm too. You're like so adorable. Like almost 30. Marcus gets all my cats. Oh wait, this is
You only have one cat.
oh shit. I don't want to do this anymore.
It is not okay.
Alright.
I'm so tall now. I can hit my head. Oh, there's a condom.
It's like your hamster. You are your hamster.
I'm fine. When this thing had like a rope tied to it. Lexi! Say hi! Hi! Gotta go faster. I keep hitting my head.
It's from me being adorable.